Hi everyone, it's Yemi Kuti here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can report illegal activities on Jiji.ng. So Jiji has a lot of different ways in which it uses to tackle fraud, and one of them is our sort of whistleblower policy where users are able to report anything they find suspicious or illegal on the website. Here's how to go about it. So the first thing you need to do is to click on Report Abuse, which you will find on each and every page of the Jiji website or app. Then you select the reason for the report. It could be fraud, illegal, the seller asks for prepayment, or just about anything. Next, you write a detailed report of the issue. After this, you click on Send Reports, and that will be it. In doing so, you're going to be making Jiji a much safer and secure platform for all users all around Nigeria. And so if you love this video, we would like for you to subscribe by clicking on the subscription button, which you will find down below. We would also love for you to click on that bell so you'll be alerted anytime we post new and insightful content that you will love. Kindly also follow us on all our social media platforms and visit us on Jiji.ng. Thank you.